What happens if you follow your heart?
It's deceitful above all things.
And what happens if you follow the Bible?
It is true. Holy. And you end up at the right way. Alright, so else you end up at the house.
Okay, so if you follow your heart, you'll end up in the crocodiles. If you follow the Bible, you'll end up in the
Right way.
in heaven.
Fashioned by the master's loving hand, he's still working on me to make me what I ought to be. It took about a week to make the moon and stars, the sun and the earth and Jupiter and Mars. How loving and patient he must be. He's still working on me.